Good morning, students. Myself, Manish Dudrejia, your music teacher from Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, Arajan. I hope you all are staying safe at your home. In today's session, we are going learn to basic theory of Tal. Okay. So first of all, first question which we are in the mind, basically, what is Tal? So Tal is nothing but a rhythmic cycle which measure the musical recital. Okay, here Tal is the heart of music and its rhythm. Rhythm is depend on the lay. So basically, we called lay is nothing but tempo. In short, Tal is rhythm of cycle and lay is tempo of the cycle. Okay, so as you know that we already learned a three tal before a lecture, which is jap tal, chaw tal, and deep chandi. Okay, now we are going to learn about tal khemta. Okay, after khemta tal, I'm going to giving you some I'll give you some of the exercise which is important for your examinations and some of the other questions. Okay, so we'll lead these things, but now we are start with the khemta. Okay, so write down in your book uh, introduction of tal khemta. Bits, that means matra 6, tali on the first beat, khali on the fourth beat, division, that means khand 2. Okay, 3-3, that means 2 division. Okay, tal khemta is one of the famous tal in Indian classical light music talas. Typically this tal is used in ras garba, sugam sangeet, group song, bhajan, etc. This tal is Shringar ras and Veer Pradhan ras tal. Okay, now here on the picture, this tal's pattern is same as the Dadra tal, 6 beat, 3 threes are the 2 division. Okay, but the different thing is that 2 ball in, that means 2 ball in 1 bit. So as you can see, x sign denote as a sum, 0 sign denote as a khali. Okay, so in a 1 bit there is a 2 ball over there. First one is dhage, second was dina, third one is gina, fourth one is dhage, fifth one is tina, sixth one is gina. Okay, so how can we pronounce it? Dhage dhina gina, dhage tina gina, dhage dhina gina, dhage tina gina. Okay, so if you want to pronounce in a tempo size, so how can we pronounce it? Just look at it. Dhage dhina gina, dhage tina ki, dhage dhina gina, dhage tina gina, dhage. Okay, so this is the tempo wise. Okay, so this is our khemta tal. Now we are going with the dugun. But before that, what is dugun? Dugun means playing a 2 ball in a 1 matra is called dugun. Whenever this is written in notation from the balls are shown in clubbed together by drawing a underline. Okay, so dugun is nothing but a duplex speed while in a tempo. Okay, so here is a picture of a dugun. Okay, you can write down in your books as well. After khemta tal, here some of the exam exercise for the examination is over here. I'm giving you some of the questions from over here, and you can tick your answer by yourself. Okay, so here is a six question over here, and you can tick any one of them. MCQ basically. Okay, so let us start our first exercise questions. Choose the right option answer from following questions. First question: which is 6-beat tal in following? First, Deepchandi. Second, Chautal. Third, Khemta. Or fourth, Japtal. Okay. Second question: name of the talas which having tali on third beat and eighth beat. I repeat, name of tal which having tali on third beat and eighth beat. First, Japtal. Second, Khemta. Third, Chautal. Or fourth, Deepchandi. Okay. Third question: zero sign. This sign indicate as a question mark. First, sum. Second, khali. Third, tali. Or fourth, matra. Fourth question: gadi gana bol indicate in which tal? First, Japtal. Second, Deepchandi. Fourth, Khemta. Or fifth, Chautal. Okay. Fifth question: in which tal eighth beat is mentioned as khali? First, Deepchandi. Second, Japtal. Third, Khemta. Or fourth, Chautal. Sixth question: on third and seventh beat as khali on which tal? First, Japtal. Second, Chautal. Third, Trital. Or fourth, Khemta. Okay. So these are this is your exercise on 6 question. You can solve it by yourself. If it's any doubt, you can feel to ask me. Okay. Instead of this exercise, I'm giving you my personal exercise from over here. Here are some of my own exercise which you need to do it by using your Google and your knowledge. You can search a Tintal, Dadra and Kaherwa and write down in your book. Okay? Till then, bye bye. See ya.